Hello mga kabahay, another day, another house. Welcome sa isa sa pinaka-affordable single attached house dito sa Metro Manila. This is located in Diparo, Caloocan City. Just walking distance from Susano Road, 8 minutes drive to Novaliches Bayan. Very near po sa lahat ng mga necessities. At malaki ang ating living, dining, and kitchen area here. Ang ating door, all of the doors here are wooden door. Lalagyan natin ng smart lock ang ating front door. Ang ating kitchen ay kompleto na sa mga cabinets. May place na rin for refrigerator at cooking range. At meron tayong isang powder room here sa baba. Meron tayong service area which you can convert as your dirty kitchen as well, and washing area. May place na tayo para sa iyong washing machine here. At sa second floor natin, we have a wooden staircase and handrails, at nakita nyo high ceiling to, so hindi mainit sa place na to. Meron tayong 3 bedrooms. May kasama ng tigi-isang split type aircon sa lahat ng bedroom dito. Meron din tayo isang common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. At ang kagandahan dito, ang ating master's bedroom also have its own toilet and bath at balcony. At meron din tayo dito existing na pwede niyong paggawa ng another balcony in the future. And if you want to know more about this and to have a house viewing, I'm going to leave my number here. You can contact me through WhatsApp, Viber, or Telegram, or call or text me. This exclusive small subdivision only have 19 residents, at meron tayong swimming pool and landscape dito for all the residents. 24/7 ang ating security guard dito. We also have CCTV. So napaka-secure ng bahay, ng location na to, ng community na to, at napakalapit sa lahat ng mga kailangan nyo. Malapit sa maraming malls. So anyway, if you want to do the house viewing and more details, you can contact me anytime for the number that I include here. Thank you so much for watching for now. Have a great day. Bye for now.